Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 22nd of May, and this is US session. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use the information entirely at your own risk and you must assess the risk of your trade with the broker before you put in your trades. So with that, I think we move on to our live analysis. So now we look into the key data that is going to be out. uh, we have unemployment claims which is forecast was 230 and came out to be 227, which is better than expected, and we are expecting 945. Sorry. So 945, 21, sorry, 2145, we are expecting the flash manufacturing PMI from the US. So as of the opening trades are concerned, I think we don't have any open position. We don't have any open position, and I think we can start to look for trades and move on. So now let's see the current. Okay, sorry. So if you look into the current stage, I think the dollar yen seems to show some strength, and I think the lower time frame are not showing us any strength. So we can look to buy near 43.30 and maybe 43.30 or slightly 43.25. Okay, I think 30 should be okay. Or 42.80. I think our stop loss has to be below 42.80. So now we look into the dashboard. Okay, we look into the dashboard. I think now is already into the buying zone. Price is expected to test 144 uh, and 143 75 and 144.30. Okay, so now looking into the chart, we need to put a stop at 142.75. Okay, then we can enter in staggered basis at 143 35, 143 10 and 142.90. So let's see the chart. Okay, let me change this to gold. Just give me 1 minute. Let me delete this. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Just give me one phone. Okay, so now I think we can see the screen. Okay, let me see. I don't know why it's showing error. Let me try. Okay, are you able to see my chart? Okay, because the screen is showing, but unfortunately we are not seeing it on the. Hello. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen? Can you please respond? I don't know why this issue is coming again and again. Can someone reply to me, please? Are you able to see my screen? You're able to see, right? Okay. Uh, give me a minute. Okay. What are you able to see now? Are you able to see the chart? Are you able to see the chart? Okay. Thank you. Sorry, I think I'm getting an error message. I don't know, some issues. Okay. Anyway, so now we look into dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Uh, okay, we see what is happening is the price looks like we may have seen the base at 42.80. Okay, so now what we are going to see is we are going to go for a price target. Just now I said 43.80 and 44 level. So now how can we trade this is if we look into the 60 minute. Okay, 60 minute, this is showing right now this is showing a down move. So what we will do is we will try to go for a buy. Okay, we'll go for a buy at okay 43.35. You go 0.2 lots with the stop slightly lower. Okay, 43.35. Then we'll put it as 42, either 42.80 or 42.80 or 85. Okay, then the TP should be 43.80 or 44. Then we have another entry which is slightly lower than this, which means to say we will try to take at 43.10. Okay, 43.10, and that one we will try to go for 43.75. So we're going to go for two trades. One is scalping. Okay, dollar yen, we are going to go for a buy at 43.35, stop at 42.85 or 90. Then this one is 44. Okay, 44 and half lot, and this is we'll try to put in until now is 9. We'll put it until 10. Okay, then we'll try to go for one more trade, which is dollar yen, go for a buy, another half lot at 43, and 42.75 as top, and 43.70. Okay, so this is, we'll put as 43.05, 05, 42.75, 43.70 or 65, and this is, we will try to go until the next time belt or slightly lower. Okay, so now let's move on to the next currency we are going to go. Okay, the next one we are looking at is Aussie. Okay, hold on. We don't see any movement on the euro and the pound, but Aussie we are seeing weakness. Okay, we are seeing weakness on the 6 hour, and 15 minute is flat. Okay, it's 15 minute is flat. So right now Aussie is at 64.25, so we will try to sell much higher. Okay, but anyway, I think Aussie is going to be a quiet session, so maybe we will try to look for euro and the pound, then we go on to Aussie. Yeah, so euro, if let's say we are seeing the market turning at 60 and 120 and 360, so we should be looking to sell at 340, 11340, and 320. Okay, right now this is trading at 11308. So we'll try to sell at 320 and 340, stop above 65.70. Then the TP we're looking at 11260 or 11245. Okay, let's confirm that with the chart. We look into euro dollar. Okay, right now if you see on the daily, this is trading below the open, and on the 360 this is showing a lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so now if we see, I think right now is a good to sell, so we will be selling at 0.1 or 0.2 at 310. Okay, at near the high, then another one at 340. Okay, 340, 310 half lot, 340 another half, and TP we should be looking to see the price breaking this low towards 11260. Okay, so let's key in this order as well. Okay, now selling at 11310, 11355, 11275. Okay, we'll put a very tight range for the first entry. Okay, so this is, we'll put at 22. Then we will go for another trade. Okay, another trade, euro, selling at 11345, 75, and 11260. Okay, this is also half lot, and this is until the next time belt. Okay, so we are going for two trades. Okay, one is euro and one is dollar yen. Okay, the next trade we are going to look for is pound, then finally we go into gold, then we will look into Dow Jones and Nasdaq when before the market opens. Okay, now we look into the pound. Okay, the market is flat. Okay, and the range we are looking at is 13470 and 13445. Okay, right now This market is trading at 13427. Okay, looking at the dashboard, we can sell at 55 and TP should be 33 133 90 95 or 80. So if it breaks lower, then we may see the price pushing lower. Okay, so let's see that on the chart. Okay, looking at the chart, pound, okay, pound. Right now, we are seeing 25. So we can go for a sell at 30, 35, and another at 65. 65 with 33.95 and 33.70 or 75. Okay, so let's put that trade as well. Okay, selling at 13435. The one is, we'll put it as 65 as a stop, then 13395 as a TP, half lot, expiry 22 or 2230. Then we'll try to go for another sell. Okay, another sell at 55, 13455, 80 or 85. Okay, because previous high was 70. So we can put it as 80. Then this is 3380. Then again this is we'll put until 24 hours. So which means another 2.5 hours. Okay. So these are the trades you can key in. Then let me also key in, then we will go on gold. Okay, I don't think any nearby, so I think I can afford to relax and key in. Okay, let's let's move on to the only thing I'm looking at is the euro. Okay, euro is moving. Okay, let me key in the euro first. Let me key in the euro. So 310 and 355. Sorry, 113. Okay, so now let's move on to the gold. Okay, gold. Okay, the gold. Okay, now let me see. Okay, weekly is a flat with the downside view. Weekly is flat with the downside view. Daily, it looks. Okay, the daily looks. Oops, just give me a minute. Flat with the mixed view. Okay, then your 360 360 looks like the market has turned down, and your 120 also, this is turned down. Okay, the range we are looking at is 3315 and 3283, and on the 360 we are looking at 3345. Okay, 3345 and 3310 or lower. So right now the 30-minute is showing strength. Okay, 30-minute is showing strength, which means to say that this strength can last for another 9 more minutes. Okay, 9 more minutes. And right now we see the dashboard. Okay, right now this is trading at 12.13. So remember, this is we are going to see the strength for another another 8 more minutes. So we will try to look into the chart, then we will see. So what we can going to do is we want to sell at 15 or 18 with a stop above 20 24. So this is based on the 360 levels. So let's see the chart, then we will get a clear idea on the gold. Okay, the gold, if you look into this, now the market is trading at 12 half. Okay, we are looking for a daily, looks like market may have topped 360, also saying that this may have topped, and 120 also saying this market may have topped, and now we are seeing a correction down. So what I want to do, okay, we sell 0.2 lots. Okay, we sell 0.2 lots at 13. Okay, 13. 12 off 13. Then we will go for another 0.3 or 0.5 at let me see, 19 half or 20. So our stop has to be above 24. Okay, so what we are going to do is, first I want to key in this trade. Try to sell at 13, 0.2 or 0.3. Then we will go for another sell 0.5 0.4 or 0.5 at 18 half or 19 half. Okay, I had my order filled at 13. Okay, I'm going to type the thing later because I want to take in the trade first. Okay, let me see this. Okay, so now let me key in the other. I think the other one, I think I can afford to take some time. Okay, so now let me give the signal for gold. Cautious sell XAU lot 0.2 0.2 and 0.3 or 0.4 at 3313 half or 13. Then the next one is 3319 half. 1.8 half or 1.9 half. Then stop at the first one, the stop we got to put at 3324. Then the second one, we will put a stop at 3324. The other one is 19. So maybe about 26 or 27. Okay, we shouldn't see the price going above 26 or 27. Okay, we'll put it as 3327. Okay, TP I'll give later. Okay, so key in this order first. We already sold, so now we want to go for the second entry. Okay, order is filled, order filled, sold at 3313 half. Okay, so now we got to see where we want to exit this this trade. So this trade we can exit at either 3302 or 32 9 3302 32 extension of this about 3296. Okay, two levels of exit point. Okay, so I would want to go for a comfortable exit at 3302. Okay, the TP I'm going to give you now. TP at 3302 3296. Okay, I'll let you decide what you want to do and how you want to trade this. So now we are already into one trade, and we haven't gotten any other trades filled in. So now we go for the Dow, Dow or Nasdaq. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, now we are looking for the Dow. Okay, the Dow Jones on the daily looks like, okay, we may have, in fact, yesterday was a big drop which we really missed on this. Okay, it's in fact from yesterday and today, it's like 1,000 pips dropped. Just this was yesterday. I think we couldn't trade on the Dow, so I think we wouldn't have capitalized on this move. So now today is looking at either we may have seen a temporary low, and this is due for a pullback, or it may continue lower. Okay, it may continue lower further down. Okay, so this is possible. Okay, so now I think today also I think we are having some issues on the data, because I see a gap. So I'm not sure whether this is a genuine gap or I'm not getting a feed. Okay, so this is not very clear. So if that's the case, why don't we just look into Nasdaq? Okay, so Nasdaq is showing up flat with an upside view on the daily. Okay, flat with an upside view. So now if you look in the hourly, okay, looks like market is flat with a upside view. Okay, so now if you look into the 15 minutes, we are first, let me see where is the high, because if we are going for a sell, we need to know what is the high. Okay, we should be looking for 212200, okay, as the high. Then the stop has to be 21255. Okay, right now this is moving into that zone. Let me also check that on the dashboard. Okay, let's see that. I think this was rejected at 21200, 2200. Okay, right now this is moving lower. I think we have already missed that entry. Okay, let me see that. Okay, we should be selling a Nasdaq at 21200. Okay, I think we missed by 1 pip. You see the Nasdaq is dropping almost like, say, 100 points dropped within 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, in fact, I took profit on the Nasdaq because I sold at the market and I exited. Okay, anyway, this is, you see, just now we wanted to sell at 2120, 21220. and I think even we put in, I think we wouldn't have got the entry. Okay, now never mind. Let's see one more round. Right now this is coming up again. See how fast this thing comes. Okay, let's see the dashboard. Okay, we can go for a sell at 21200. Okay, we can go for a sell at 21200 and put a stop above 21255. CFD, Nasdaq, sell 21200, 2125, sorry, 21255. Then the TP, we got to exit before to 21080 or slightly lower. Okay, 21080. I think 21080 should be good enough. Okay, this one, the expiry we will give until 10 o'clock. Okay, let me key in this. Okay, so now we are only holding gold so far. Okay, the Nasdaq we didn't get an entry, so we are only holding gold. Dollars, euro dollar, I think we missed 14 pips. Pound also not filled yet. Dollar yen is also not filled yet, and we are only holding gold as of now. Okay, so let's see gold, then we go in detail the analysis. Okay, the gold, I think, is coming off as expected, and remember the TP I put in as 3302. 302. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, let's wait. We only have gold order filled. Nasdaq we are still waiting for, and the currency also. Order not filled. Actually, my order was filled. Why you say order not filled? You put at 13 half. Okay, let me see what price I entered. Yeah, the order was filled. You see, I don't know whether you came in late. See, when we were looking to what I can't remember what time. I think we gave the gold order before the Nasdaq. Okay, so that means before 9:30. So before 9:30 was somewhere here, So this is where we entered, and the order we took. See, this is something I just want to share with you. When we trading live, okay, when we are trading live, your reaction must be very fast, and that sometimes that can be a advantage, sometimes that can be a disadvantage. Okay, that is we don't have any perfect answer for that. Okay, what do I mean by that? So if let's say market is going up like this, and let's say we are going for a sell. So if let's say we sold here, you are a bit slow, then you might get a better entry levels. The same thing when the price is coming down, if you are slow or hesitant or not taking it, because there is a lot of reasons behind the order getting filled and not filled, because one is maybe your spread, that can be one reason, like just now in the evening our order was sorry, ours was not filled. I think yours was filled. So this is mainly due to, can be mainly due to our reaction time, can be mainly due to the spread, because sometimes if you have a higher spread and you are not paying commission, and you pay a higher spread, then chances are your order may not get filled. And this is, we can't give you any perfect answer for that, or a perfect um okay, the Nasdaq is filled. Hold on. Okay, the Nasdaq, hold on, let me see that. Wow. Okay, you see, this is the problem again. Yeah, this is filled. This is filled at 21200. Okay, this is on the dot. Can you see 21005? Let me share the, sorry, let me share the screen. So this is, we put at 21200, and the high was 21205. So this is the problem sometimes, we, when we give order, we got to make sure that we straight away we hit. And you see here our TP is 21420. So now what I want you to do is, because it's being very see, this is the problem. Okay, now your side is not filled. Okay, mine is filled. Okay, I got filled, and so this is sometimes all I can say is, this is not, this has got to something to do with percentage of luck and the brokerage we use. So I mean, I'm just showing you the chart. The high is 21200.5. If it's, let's say it's below 21, just like just now we wanted to put at 2200. Okay, this was not filled because it didn't reach that price and we missed by okay, now you see here, I think now you should have got it filled. I don't know, because now you see the price is 21201. So if you don't get filled, I can't do anything. I mean, honestly, I can't do anything, because this is just like hit and run. And also another reason is being mainly due to the spread. So now we are back. Okay, the Nasdaq really hitting. Okay, now the gold is coming off. Okay, gold is coming off. I think it's in our favor, but Nasdaq is against us. Okay, now let's see the gold. Okay, you just see, we just have to turn here and there. Okay, now the gold you see here, we put at 23302, and I think the low is 3302.8. Okay, I think I want to change it to 3303 or 3304. Okay, let me change this. 3304. See, this is the problem, that's why I'm trying to tell you. Sometimes, our levels are so precise, sometimes you don't get to see the price reaching. Okay, I think the goal we already missed. Now I'm trying to close it at 3304. Okay, I just want to close it. Then I want to go for a re-entry. So gold, my TP also missed. Okay, Nasdaq is just hanging around there, but still not given us a clear. I don't know why the market is so choppy today. Up down, up down. It's like it's very fast. Okay, we just missed the TP by 15-20 pips. See, now it's moving up again, so we got to wait. I think we missed it. I think I don't know whether we can make this money today. Up down, up down. Just now Nasdaq was making good money, then it moved up again. Okay, let's see the currency. Currency wise, I think okay, dollar yen is already hit our price target. Okay, we missed it. Okay, you just see. I mean, all this. That's why I said I can't. I don't know why today is a bit. I don't know whether any news is coming. Oh yeah, the 9:45. There was a data out. Okay, now I understand. Okay, okay, now I understand. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that is the news. Okay, correct, correct. So now, uh, the 9:45. Okay, the data was too good. Okay, so that is the reason why we are seeing a big movement on the currency and the Nasdaq. So the data forecast was 49.9 and came out to be 52.3. Okay, gold I'm out 3304. Okay, profit taken, profit taken at 3304. Sorry, it's at 3304. Okay, so now we have closed and we are only looking for the Nasdaq now. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think today was quite good. Only the Nasdaq. Sorry. Okay, now the gold. We have taken the profit at 3304. Okay, now it's coming off. Now let's do a re-entry for this, and let me see the. Okay, now see the dollar yen. I think dollar yen also I think missed our. I think there was a big move. You see, we wanted to buy. I think it hit our price target. Okay, right now. So I think we have to reassess our trade for re-entry. Okay, let's re uh, okay, if the Nasdaq, if let's say we get stopped out, then we have to look for a re-entry on extension of this, which is 21310. Okay, 21310. So this should be our re-entry point. So let's go back for the gold. Okay, remember I told you the gold, our price target was 330. I gave 3296 if I'm not mistaken. I just see where I was given. Yeah, correct. Our target was 3302 and 3296. So the market is already reached the second target. Okay, so now the price is still falling, and looks like, okay, looks like, let me do the re re analyze of the gold. Okay, so looking at this, I think our entry was good entry. So now it can drop towards 32, 83 or 85, and this is we have another one more hour for this weakness this weakness to continue. Okay, I think the Nasdaq, I think, got stopped out, I think. Okay, let me see. I think most likely it got stopped out. Okay, this is the problem with this, too fast. Yeah, it's 21255. It has already got stopped out. So now we got to go for a re-entry at 21310. Okay, then this is we will put 0.2 at 310. Then okay, let me see where is the stop. Okay, so we'll try to sell a 0.5 at 310, another 0.5 at 370. Then I'll give you the gold orders. Okay, let me go into this, because the gold is dropping now, so we can't wait. We have to wait for another 1 hour to do. I'll give you another entry. Okay, now this is selling at 21310, stop at 415, and TP at 145. Okay, half lot. This is until we put it as 10:30. Then we will go for another trade. selling 21370,435. Okay, and this is again about 155. I'll just put it, then later we'll do the adjustment, and this is another half an hour. Okay, excuse me. Okay, now let's go into the gold. Okay, the gold, we we are going to see the weakness towards 85. Okay, let me double check. Okay, so the so the gold, we will wait for 1 more minute. Okay, this weakness is going to last for another 1 more hour. There will be two probabilities. Okay, one is it can be in a range, or it can be a further down. Okay, so what we can do is, if this is going to be in a range, if let's say now is 10, 40 or 45, then definitely I want to go for a buy. But unfortunately, this is showing still have 1 more hour left, so the signals are a bit mixed now. The signals are a bit mixed now. So I mean, it's quite tempting to trade, but I'm not sure. That's why I said I'm not sure whether we are going to get a bounce from here, or the final low should be for today is maybe about 75 or 72. So now what we can do, okay, we'll wait for a while. Okay, we'll wait for a while and see whether we can see. Should have waited. We should have waited for this drop. Okay, now sometimes this doesn't. Okay, now it can bounce back from here, or it can break lower towards 70, 72. Okay, both are possible as of now, because the higher time frame is telling us that the price should break this low. Okay, let's see whether we are seeing break of this low. If this break of this low, then it can drop another $15 more. Okay, so that is the clue here. Okay, I think it's testing the low. I think it has already broke. Okay, so it's already broke. So let's wait to okay, now see, within 1 minute it can drop $10, so this is also a very volatile market. Okay, what I I want to do, okay, we'll try to buy at 75. Okay, but I'm not sure whether we will be getting 75. We have to wait because the weakness can continue for another 1 hour. Okay, either 75, 70, or 65. Seventy and 65. Okay, uh, let's try one round because this is a 60 minute, 60 minute. So if it's above 90, then this can go up. See, I'm only comfortable in buying at 75, but the low is 80. Okay, let's put a buy at 75 and put a stop at 67 and go for 0.2 lots. Okay, let's see whether we'll get it. If not, then we will go for a re-entry on a different levels. Okay, I repeat, I'm trying to go for a buy at 75 and 0.2 lots or 0.3, 3275, and the stop is 67 or 66.5. So let's see whether we get, because the only problem I see is because the disturbing is because the weakness is expected for another 1 hour. Okay, I'll just give you an answer. The weakness is expected for another 1 hour, but it is trading at critical levels. So I'm not sure whether the time that is going to control or the price is that is going to control. We have to wait and see. Then the Nasdaq. Okay, this is going to reach our 21310. Okay, I think let's try and do that. Okay, 310 is filled. USD cash. Okay, I think the gold. I think the price is controlling now. The 80. We want to buy. Should have bought at 80. Okay, the Nasdaq is filled. Uh, $70 315. Nasdaq is filled now. The gold, we because we were a bit reluctant to buy because we were trying to buy a bit cheaper, but unfortunately we couldn't get into that. So okay, what we can do, this 79 looks like that is going to be the low. Okay, we'll try to go for a buy at 85, then put a stop at 78 half. Okay, we'll put in this order. I'll type the thing. Okay, so we're trying to buy gold at 85. Try to buy gold at 3285. Stop at 3278. Okay, 78 or 78.5. Then the TP I'll give later. Okay, so we'll try to buy at okay, let me try this. Cautious buy XAU 0.2 at 3285. Sorry, 3285. Stop at 3278, and TP I'll TP I'll key in later. Okay, so now the Nasdaq is making money. So now this is dropping to 280. Okay, it's making about 30 pips. So if you look into the 15-minute, okay, most likely this might be the high. Okay, might be the high. So the next 15-minute is more crucial. If the next 15 minutes can break this low, then this is the high. Okay, so let's wait and see this. Okay, the next 15 minutes we got to see this 21260 to break. If it breaks, then we can confirm that this is the high. Okay, let's wait for an answer for that. Then the gold now is 88. We are trying to buy at 85. So let's give some time. Okay, let's see the gold. Now is 88. Okay, now if you think you want to buy at 88, you may want to do so for aggressive traders. 88 is also a support. So I want to go for a buy. I think the thing jumped already. 3288 and 82. Okay, try to buy this this gold at 88, so we will see how. So I repeat, so we are trying to buy gold at 88 and 85. So this is 88 for uh, aggressive traders, 85 is for conservative traders. So don't think we can get this 88. I think that is also going to get missed. If you see, uh, we should have taken the action before the market is coming off. Sometimes this is what happens. So when we put in the trades, we get miss the opportunity because we are a bit hesitant, and in fact we should have bought at 80, somewhere here, 87. That should be the buying level. I think we have missed that. Okay, we missed that $7 move. Anyone holding any trades? I'm just holding Nasdaq. Anyone holding any trades? Okay, the Nasdaq is making about 50 pips. Okay, so if you all are not holding any trades, then I'll let you all work. Because if you're holding, then at least I can discuss in detail. Okay, anyway, what we feel is the gold should, yeah, the Nasdaq also I'm also holding. Okay, I'm holding a short, and later we'll discuss on the Nasdaq. So now the gold, we expect the next 2 hours or 1 hour to be an up session. So most likely we should see the price heading towards 3303 and 3308. Okay, so this should be our next thing. Okay, the Nasdaq holding, I think we are still safe. Later I'll discuss on detail on Nasdaq. Okay, I'm also holding, so I think this is giving good profit on the Nasdaq. So let's see. So now we wait for another 15 more minutes to see how this candle closes. Then we can go for buy because we have a price target slightly higher. So until then, okay, with Nasdaq, we can expect another 7 minutes of weakness. Okay, we try to exit at 2115. I've given as 145, so I think we can exit at either 185 or 160. Okay, then the stop, I think we can reduce it to 2295. Okay, I think this stop is already reduced to cost, so we'll try to close at 21160 or uh, 21185, 85 or 195. So I let you all decide, then you put in. So that means another 50 pips away you should be uh, taking your profits for Nasdaq. So I'll put it as 50 pips away means 21130. I'm trying to exit at 21185. Okay, right now is 21210. So I'm looking at another 5 minutes of weakness, and most likely if we can get another uh, 20-30 points down, we should be exiting, but see how it comes. Okay, the Nasdaq, I think I just want to close at market. I just closed at 2215. Okay, this is I closed. So the signals wise, I've yet to adjust. So you see and you try to take a profit. Okay, I've already exited on the Nasdaq. Okay, now let's see the gold. Okay, the I think looks like the gold we have missed it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, what I can suggest is for aggressive traders, not for conservative traders. Gold, you can go for a buy at 93. Okay, 93. Stop at 87 and TP at 3303. That means we are looking at about $10 move. And I don't want to give this signal. I'm just giving a call. So this is up to you to decide whether you want to take this trade, because what has happened is we have missed this move. I think you see, we should have entered here at 88. In fact, we should have entered here at 85. We missed. We entered here at 88. We missed. We should have entered here at 93. We missed. So three opportunities were given, but we couldn't make that entry. Okay. So anyway, today I think today was a good day. Today was a good day. So my trades, I've done a short on Nasdaq. I made a profit, and then gold sold at 3313, exited at 3304, made a profit. Then we entered again at 3313. Again, I think the trade we took twice. Okay, twice we took the trade, and it was a profit. Then I'm not sure what time is this. We had a buy at 93 and exited at 3303. Okay, I'm not sure when was this. Then we had a buy at 23, stopped out at 14. That's a 0.2 lot, and we had a buy at 33.18. Then that also was stopped out at 10 half. So then the currency, I think it was a pretty flat. So these are the trades which we've taken, which I think overall I think it was a good day. Okay, so I think we want to end the session, and see you again tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow at 9. Then we will see, we come up with more opportunities and more ideas. Okay, so as of now, we are getting out. Okay, I think the pound is in the verge of getting filled. Okay, pound is in the verge of getting filled. Sell at 35. Okay, let me see whether this can be a trade to consider. Okay, I think we can go for that trade, because it's only going to have another half an hour. Then we would be seeing most likely some weakness, and we should see the trade come in. So the pound selling, I think we can still go ahead with that trade. Okay, I think that's about it. I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, then before I knock off, we had a buy order at 85. That one I just want to cancel it on the gold. Okay, 85 and 88 I want to cancel. Then there is one more at 75. Then maybe that one I may want to just leave it. Then euro we have a sell at 310. Okay, I think that is let it work. And the gold we have a sell order at 20. Okay, that one I think I may just want to leave it. Okay, and I have a sell order at 31. I may want to cancel. And so the working orders I'm going to leave is only gold selling at 20, then euro selling at 11310, and gold buying at 3275. So only these three orders. So the rest of the orders I may want to just cancel and see tomorrow. Okay, so I think that's about it. See you all again tomorrow, and the I think that's about it. Okay, thank you.